Hi, my name is Dylan. This is my app for Unit 5, Lesson 12, Traversals, where we had to make an app for a random forecaster of tomorrow. So this app is basically, when you run it, it gives you random facts about the city, the highest weather, the lowest weather, what type of weather, and an image on the app. You can see, just press get forecast randomly. So the way I did this was first make 6 variables that equal to getting the data in a column, which is from this data table, and the table name, which shows the daily weather. This is the daily weather data, and these forecast numbers mean like the amount of days after the day it's taking place on. So for each one, I just got the same data set, but different column for the city list, high temperature, and so on and so forth. Then I had to make a 6 filtered variable lists so that it filters to a specific thing that I want it to do, like doing it for tomorrow, because if I don't, it's gonna be for the next 2 days, probably the next 3 days, or the next 4 days. And using those basically 12 variables, I made an event block. So on event that the get forecast button would appear, I made a for loop button so that the same process happens all over again. So the variable I would equal to 0, and I has to be less than the forecast length, because then it would be able to add 1 and the list would go on. The index would basically keep going on. And I made an additional statement saying if the forecast list is equal to 1, then add these numbers, variables into the list with the index. And to set these things onto the screen, I made a update screen function, which has the properties of how it's showing the words, the numbers, and the image. This variable index here is for random numbers. For example, for the high and low, I made them, this random number is for everything. So that gives me a random image, random state name, random high weather, random low weather, random type of weather. And yeah, I just added that update. I called the function back on this event block as well. Yeah, this app was pretty simple to build. It took me a while, but with my help of a partner, I was able to get it done. Thank you.